Glad you're here. So we're going to learn a little bit today about how to make our first program with Scratch. So the first thing we're going to do is log in. So in the previous movie, we showed you how to set up an account. Now we're going to type in test314 and our password, which was test3145. We can sign in. Doesn't matter if it remembers it or not. Whoops. And we're logged in. So what we're going to do first is we are going to create a new program. And our first program is going to be pretty simple. All we're going to do is create a sprite that says hi. That's it. So here's our sprite. We can grab the sprite with the mouse if we want. Down here we can see a picture of our sprite. And all we're going to do to start with is we're going to go over here. And you see that green flag? Green is usually that universal symbol of go, it's safe. And red, likewise, is the stop sign. We're going to go to the events and we're going to click on this when clicked button. What that means is whenever that button's clicked, our sprite is going to do something. In this case, we want our sprite to say hello. That's it. That's our whole program. Here, watch it. Hello. Well, that wasn't so bad. Now we could make the sprite say something different if we wanted. We could change the hello. We could have him say, what's up? And now when we click the flag, it says, what's up? Now we could also, if we wanted, run some experiments and we could say, if you notice right below this it says, say hi for 2 seconds. Here it says hello. Let's look at the differences. When it just says hello, it says hello. That's it. And stays there, which is kind of weird. When we said say hello for 2 seconds, it would say hello and then it would go away. You're probably wondering, what's the think do? Well, if we bring the think over and say think for 5 seconds, let's watch what it does. It says, and it is for 5 seconds. And the think shows up with a little thought bubble. So it's a way of having a conversation inside your own head with the character. And you might gather that if we say think and don't have a time, it'll just stay there. And that's what it does. Pretty cool. Why don't you take a minute and think about that assignment you were given. You were asked to say something interesting to someone you care about. So I'm going to type a message saying, thanks, Mom, for all that my mom did for me. And then when I click on the flag, it can say, thanks, Mom, which is pretty cool. Now I can share this if I wanted to and go back to my project page, which is actually what I'm going to do because I'm going to send a link of this to my mom. Now if you look over here, here's our program. And it says my project's being shared. I could title it and I could say it, click here, Mom. She doesn't know what it's going to say. And sometimes she needs a little extra advice. So tell people how to use your project. Click on the green flag for a message. And then I could say, I made this project as part of an assignment for a Scratch course I am taking online through MelioraStudio.org. So far, so good. And then we can say we're all done. And we're good to go. And if I wanted to, I could take this link here. And I could fire up my email. I could go to a new message. And say to put in the link here. Okay, there we go. And I can send a message. Forgot to put in the link, didn't I? Thank you for catching that. There we go. Send. So now when she gets her email, she can just type in that address, hit enter, and the project will show up. Click here, Mom, and it's loading up. And she could be anywhere in the world and do this. We click on the flag. Thanks, Mom. And that's all. That's pretty cool. And we can hit on the flag again. Thanks, Mom. You get the idea. Hey, good luck scratching, guys. Take care.